It's a 2016 Buick Encore. Luxury doesn't have to be defined by size. This Encore fits your life with a stylish and functional design inside and out. Thanks to quiet tuning technology, the lavish and roomy interior is serene, creating your own peaceful motoring haven. Use your voice to control Buick IntelliLink and stay connected with great signal quality using OnStar with 4G LTE Wi-Fi. You'll appreciate safety features like StabiliTrak and 10 airbags and the ability to see objects while in reverse with a rear-view camera.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Safety comes from being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat. It's too hot. It's too cold. Not anymore with dual zone climate control.
This Encore is ready to go at a moment's notice. Swing by today for a test drive.
Cruise into DeVoe Buick GMC today. We're located 1 mile south of Pine Ridge Road on the corner of Goodlet and Solana Road, or visit DeVoeNaples.com.